How to on two-step verification on Gmail account. So if you want to on your two-step verification, what you have to do is you can simply go to Gmail, or you can also go through Google. So Google is convenient for me. And after opening your Google, on the upper right corner you will have your profile. Tap on your profile and then tap on manage your Google account. And now if you scroll right side, then you will find a security option. Tap on security. And before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. So here if you scroll down, you will find two-step verification. Tap on that. And here if you scroll down, then you will find get started, which is on the bottom right corner. Tap on that. So to start, all you have to do is enter your password. If you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot password and you can reset your password. But if you know your password, then that's better. And after entering your password, simply tap on next. And then, so if this is okay for you, then you can simply tap on continue, which is on the bottom right corner. And now here it is asking for your mobile number. So enter your mobile number. And after entering your mobile number, you can simply tap on send. And now it has sent a verification code to your mobile number. Now enter that code here and then simply tap on next. See, you can have that option turn on option, then simply tap on turn on. And that's it. You have turned on your two-step verification. So that's it guys, that's how you turn on your two-step verification on your Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.